Welcome to Sabbia 103 in Bucerías, just one block away from the beach. This professionally designed condo offers 2 baths and a primary bedroom that you will love. The fully equipped kitchen comes with modern appliances and thoughtful design, making it perfect for everyday living or entertaining. The dining space flows seamlessly, creating the ideal settings for meals with a view and memorable moments. The wide living area is filled with natural light, offering plenty of space to relax or gather with friends and family. The large laundry room has been recently upgraded with brand new plumbing, ensuring convenience and variability. The second bedroom is also complete and spacious, designed with comfort and practicality in mind. The spacious primary bedroom opens to breathtaking ocean views. With refined decor and abundant natural light, it's a serene retreat designed for relaxation. Attached to the suite, the primary bathroom is expensive and complete, featuring elegant finishes and spa-inspired details.
My favorite part is this incredible terrace.
Step onto your private terrace where you can enjoy your morning coffee with ocean views. From here, you also overlook the development pool and have direct access to it. In an exclusive building of only 18 units, this condo is fully furnished and ready to become your home, whether as a vacation retreat, a rental investment, or your full-time residence. Sabbia 103 is the opportunity you've been waiting for in Bucerías. Located in Bucerías, just 25 minutes from Puerto Vallarta's International Airport, this charming coastal town offers the perfect blend of convenience and authentic lifestyle. Bucerías is more than a destination, it's a lifestyle, a blend of coastal beauty, vibrant culture, and everyday convenience, making it the ideal place to live, invest, or simply enjoy. Discover the Bucerías Art Walk, a vibrant space where local and international artists showcase their work. It's a place to enjoy creativity, culture, and leisure right in the heart of town. The Bucerías Market is one of the largest in the area, filled with artists' craft, souvenirs, and local treasures, a lively spot to explore and connect with the essence of Mexico. Here you'll find one of the longest beaches on the bay, ride horses along the shore, sit back with a book, or simply watch the sunset. And if you're a fan of water sports, Bucerías is the perfect place. Its city winds make it a paradise for kite surfing, sailing, and more. This unit offers 1 bedroom, 2 bathroom, and a lifestyle defined by quality and comfort.
If you like more information or want to explore more properties like this one, visit mexlifepb.com. Thank you for watching.